Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started. Question number 1. Do you enjoy art? I do, indeed. It fascinates me to experiment with many creative mediums and communicate my feelings, thoughts, and ideas through painting. Art may also be a wonderful way to relax and relieve tension. It is rewarding for me to visually produce something distinct and attractive. Question number 2. Do you think art classes are necessary? Art classes, in my opinion, might be advantageous to those who want to learn more about painting. Students can learn about the different parts of art as well as their history and theory in art classes. They can also aid in the development of technical and composition skills. Question number 3. Did you learn art at school when you were a child? Well, I took a few art classes in high school that were quite beneficial. They helped me improve my sketching and painting talents as well as my understanding of art history and theory. Question number 4. Are you good at art? I like to think I'm talented in the arts. I strive to put up a lot of effort in my artwork, and I believe I have made significant development in my artistic ability. Question number 5. What kind of art do you like? I love abstract art, especially when it incorporates a range of colors, forms, and patterns. It fascinates me to investigate and comprehend the significance behind the artwork. I also appreciate conventional painting and drawing since they allow me to express my creativity and emotions. Question number 6. What do you think about digital art? I believe that digital art is an excellent medium for expressing creativity and creating art that can be shared with and appreciated by a large audience. Beautiful graphics, animations, and interactive experiences can be created using digital art. It is an excellent tool for artists to experiment with various approaches and styles. Question number 7. Do you consider yourself good at art? I feel myself to be artistically proficient. I have a solid understanding of the foundations of art and have been able to hone my talents over time. I am continuously pushing myself to create distinctive and expressive artwork. Question number 8. What pictures or style of art do you like? I like abstract and impressionist paintings as well as landscape and still life drawings. Pop art also appeals to me because of its vibrancy and boldness. I enjoy work that tells a story or elicits emotion in the audience. Question number 9. Is there any artwork on the wall in your room? There is, indeed. My room has a few pieces of artwork hanging on the walls. Each artwork holds a personal importance for me, and I look at it every day. Question number 10. Have you ever been to an art gallery? Sure, I have visited numerous art galleries. I enjoy going to galleries to learn about different forms of artwork from other countries and time periods. I enjoy going to galleries to learn about different forms of artwork from other countries and time periods. I find it inspiring to look at the work of both famous painters and budding artists. Question number 11. Is art popular in your country? Definitely. Indian art has brilliant colors, spiritual themes, and traditional shapes and materials. India's temples, palaces, galleries, and streets are filled with art. Art's ability to express emotions, tell stories, and provide beauty and joy to people's lives attracts them. Question number 12. Do you like to draw pictures? I do, indeed. It's a peaceful and creative outlet for me. Painting allows me to express myself, capture my creativity, and experiment with my own artistic style. It also serves as a terrific stress reliever and an outlet for my feelings. Question number 13. Is it easy to learn how to draw? Sure, learning to draw is simple. There are numerous internet resources accessible to assist you in getting started, such as tutorials, videos, and books. There are also numerous art workshops offered in schools and community centers that can provide an organized and hands-on learning experience. Everybody can learn to draw with determination and practice. Question number 14. What kinds of things do you like to draw? I enjoy drawing a wide range of subjects, from landscapes and skyscrapers to animals and humans. In addition to cartoon figures and objects, I enjoy doing abstract and surreal art. I enjoy working with various materials and methods, including watercolor, ink, and digital art. Question number 15. Do you think art is an important part of our education? Because, indeed, art allows us to express ourselves, grow our creativity, and learn to examine our surroundings. Art can also assist us in developing problem-solving skills, appreciating beauty in all forms, and gaining a deeper knowledge of different cultures. Art can also be used to connect with people and can be a strong instrument for self-expression. Question number 16. How do you think art classes affect children's development? Children benefit from art sessions. Children's creativity, problem solving, and self-expression can improve in art programs. Art classes can also boost kids' confidence, creativity, and self-esteem. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.